Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to the Excel video series. So in this class, we are going to discuss about some formulas which is called left and right. So what is the function of these formulas? So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, I'm going to write the sentence like communication. So as you can see, I have written the sentence. After writing the sentence, I'm going to here and then I'm going to write is equals to left. So what we have to do, we have to write the formula in this way. As you guys know, before writing a formula, we have to write is equal symbol and then we have to write the left. We have to write the formula name and then we have to write the bracket stars. So as you can see now it's showing that we have to select the text. So I'm going to select this text. After selecting this text, I'm going to give the comma and now you have to write the numbers. For example, I'm going to write the 5. So basically what it will do, it will give us the 5 digits from the left side of this text. So as you can see, I'm going to press enter. What are the first 5 letters from the left side? As you can see, COMM and U has the COMM and U. So this is the function of left side. So it will give you the first characters from the left side, which number you will define, for example 5, 3 or 4, it's up to you. So in the same way, right will do the same function in the opposite way. So as you can see, I'm going to write is equals to right. So as you can see, now we have to select the text again and comma, and now we have to mention 5. As you can see, I'm going to mention the same number 5 and now I'm going to press the enter. As you can see, Asian. So as you can see, the right has provided us the 5 numbers from the right side of the word. So in this way, you guys can use the left and right function. So I hope you guys understand this video that how you can use these both formulas. So see you guys in the next video.